All right, let's actually do the refactoring. And so basically, we're going to put everything inside of each respective file, and we're going to I I'm doing this live, and I will make mistake. Just you have been warned, and I may pause now and then just because I'm not a god. Okay, I will make mistake, and just don't want to be completely honest with you guys. So yeah, let's get started. So basically, we're going to put everything inside the content view into the respective file. So first, let's look at the right enumerator here. Okay, so basically everything can be inside of I believe we made model, thumbnail, enumerator model. Okay, so yeah, I think I can put it here. So enumerator starting here all the way down here. So Command X to cut it. Yeah, pretty satisfying. And by the way, you should be able to commit all this. Okay, commit all these changes to Git. Okay, so on commit change. Yeah, let me just before refactoring. Okay, before refactoring, let's commit that. Okay, in case I mess something up. Okay, then you can rest assured about committing. Can't find extra ratio in scope. That's because I cut it. So yeah, so I can just cut it and thumbnail make it. Yeah. By the way, I think model thumbnail enum model. I don't think that's a good model. I want it to be descriptive, so maybe change the name. I want it to be not enum. I think this is a bad name. I'm going to name it like aspect ratio model. Aspect. Did I spell it correct? Aspect ratio model. Okay, and foundation. Yeah, that's good. And enum, just paste it here so you can specifically make the decision of aspect ratio. So let's go back here, and so we got all this content view. Yeah, I think we can get some parts out because basically we're going to get the some of the variable out. So just so for example, we got like a state variable, select the image, something like that. We got the overlay text thing, and we got the aspect ratio. We got background color. We got text color. We got text size. We got vertical alignment and horizontal alignment. That's all about the preview configuration, okay, or thumbnail configuration. Basically, you just want to make that specific image, okay. So basically, you got all this configuration, simple maker configuration. I think that's maybe it, because you can get like a multiple configuration, and yeah, so you can get two set of configuration, or you can just stick with one. That really depends. So basically, I'm going to put some part that's related to the preview, if you will, to that inside. So thumbnail model. I think maybe configuration model or something like that. Thumbnail model. It's not technically, it's not a thumbnail, but rather thumbnail configuration model, or maybe just a configuration, maybe. Yeah, it's pretty hard for me to actually name it. So yeah, and by the way, you don't necessarily need to got like exact same name. You don't necessarily need to do that. Yeah, by the way, I think we got alignments model. So alignments left and right. Yeah, alignments enum. So maybe I'm going to add one more aspect ratio model and alignment model. Okay, maybe not through UI, but rather here, Swift. So line makes model. Okay, it's not technically model. Okay, so it's not like a data model. It's more like the configuration. Yeah, I think maybe I'll just put it into a configuration. Yeah, it's not a typical configure model project, so it doesn't really matter. So alignment basically you got the different cases like top, center, bottom. So let's go here and see whether we got a lot of enum, right? We got enum, vertical, horizontal, enum. We even got tab. I don't think we use this tab. We're going to use a tab view, so this is the questionable. So yeah, don't need to worry about that. Yeah, ignore them. Yeah, I might as well just cut it, okay? Because I love cut it. It's like getting rid of things, okay? So it's got a kind of satisfaction. Alignment model, yeah, I think we can put it here. Vertical alignments, horizontal alignments, tab it shouldn't be here, okay? It shouldn't be here. Okay, I do this just for after I do that I can actually run that in, it would be exactly the same. I should use that tab view for multiple main views. Okay, just to leave it here. Okay, I want to tab view at the bottom. We can switch because of the icon. Right now it's basically just an icon tab. Right, and then I'm going to get some parts of the configuration out. Thumbnail model, yeah, we can do that. We can do that, or maybe we can do that for the a simple maker. Okay, I'm going to change the name a little bit because I change my mind all the time. So I'm going to say simple configuration model, simple maker configuration. Okay, I know it's pretty long. Configuration. Okay, simple maker configuration model. Yeah, we can sort of do that, and we can go to content. I love to cut it and put it here because that's pretty satisfying. So simple maker configuration. Yeah, I think we need import Swift UI. Let's just import that just to be sure. Struct, and there will be a simple maker configuration model, and let's just store all this variable here because I don't want a text specifically. I want a text specific through everything, not just import everything inside of a big. Yeah, of course, if you are brainstorming, you can do that, but I try to make things organized. So we can go back to content view. That's the magic source place. This, don't need it, cut it, go to here. Let's make it here. Select. Right now, you don't need to be save variable because you can use that, I believe. So you don't need to be private because if you do private, you can't be able to access it. So yeah, one thing done. A lot to go, in fact. So the image, and so we got the text. Okay, so image down below and text. Yeah, pretty good. Let's go back to simple make configuration. Okay. So let's go back here and bar. I think we can get rid of this. Just save it to be sure. And so image and text overload text and aspect ratio, I think. Yeah, because that is also essential for our image. So yeah, we can put it here. Var. Yeah, good. And then yeah, so the aspect ratio. What about, yeah, we got like a canvas background, so background color default per current code. Yeah, so you don't need all this explanation now because we already know that. So yeah, here. So background color, and what's essential here? The text color, of course. So the text color, right? White. You don't need this all this comment, so I would delete that. I would delete that default white. Of course, I know default is white. Okay, so yeah, and let's look at here. The text, so yeah, gold with float, and of course the text size change from all this. Yeah, that's because I make it like specific one line. That's the reason. But I don't want to overcomplicate things. Okay, just give some magical number. It's a slide. Like it's a slide. You can slide to change things, so it doesn't really matter that much. And so what about say text size? Yeah, alignment. Okay, the text can align top, bottom, left, and right, and all this. This two, I believe, horizontal or vertical. Yeah, good. So cut it. Got all this configuration here, just to make it pretty separated. Yeah, and why I'm slow? Yeah, I don't need like deleting all that. Just deleting here. Okay. Yeah, pretty good. Yeah, sorry, bar, silly mistake. So yeah, I think that's pretty much all about this simple thing that we are going to use, because this is a simple maker configuration model. Okay, but we haven't got the like a pretty hard like premium maker configuration. So yeah, we'll extend that. So of course we can got some file that called premium. How is spell premium? Premium. Okay, there you are. Premium. I'm terrible at spelling, so I may like mistype something. Premium maker configuration model. Okay, so let's just create it here. Just stand here, and maybe we could add more, but I haven't quite finished. Think about this yet. So I'm still thinking about this. I'm in the process of thinking. So you just don't just leave it here. Okay, so what about let's talk about view model. So oops, it's already nearly 15 minutes, so I'm going to pause it here. So see you next video. Okay, thanks, bye.